This video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware type application called TechTalent. TechTalent is the adware that actually is a part of the adload family. This particular adware mainly attacks Google Chrome, Firefox, and the Safari browser, by the way. So these three browsers are the main targets of this adware, even though Safari is being attacked most of all. TechTalent adware, once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So if you have found this TechTalent to be the part of your Mac computer, you need to access your available applications. Find this TechTalent, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. To make sure that your computer is free of other threats, I would also recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus by directly going to the page combocleaner.com. So download it, install it, and as soon as the program is successfully installed, start carefully investigating the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and eliminate other threats. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.